Let's talk about the part pre-writing in a persuasive essay. Now, for persuasive writing, two effective questions that can get our writing process started are: what are some issues that matter to me, and what story in the news have made me want to take a stand? The news, conversation with classmates, or topic we discuss at home with our family can all be good source of idea for persuasive writing. So when we are interested in a topic, we tend to enjoy the work that goes into the piece of writing much more. And then the end result is usually a more powerful piece of writing too. Now, from the list of topics that you gather, you need to be able to generate a thesis statement about one of them, at least one of them. Now, the thesis, which is another way of referring to the central argument of the paper, you need to define the problem or issue to summarize your argument and state your solution to the problem. But if you're stuck when it comes to writing a thesis statement, then you can use a formula like thesis statement. These are good while you are developing as a writer. One way to write an effective thesis for persuasive writing would be so to state first the topic is a problem, because then you tell it why, and the topic there is the best solution. Okay. For example, starting high school classes at 7:45 is a problem because most teenagers naturally fall asleep later and woke up later. Instead, starting school at 9 is the best solution. In this example, the first and second underlined statement define the problem and summarize the argument. The last underlined statement is the solution to the problem. Since there is a lot to keep track of in a piece of persuasive writing, then you need to be organized. So you want to make sure you do these things to ensure that you're ready to write. First, create some sort of visual to organize our argument. This can be a T-chart of the pros and the cons, or a Venn diagram of the similarities and difference between two possible solutions, or any other visual representation of your idea that will make sense to you. Second, evaluate the strength of your argument based on or whatever their facts or opinions, as well as the reliability or expertise of the source from which argument emerged. Consider the contour argument to your claim so that you are prepared to defend, refute, or challenge the perspective that opposed your own. Pre-writing is an essential step in the persuasive writing process. So when we gather idea, choose a topic, and then organize our idea about the topic in order to make the strongest possible argument. So that's it about pre-writing and a persuasive essay. Thank you for coming and have a great day.